Uh.
Now for the plunder beam.
Okay. Mislim da... Aha.
Plunder beam is down.
All aboard! You know, you two make pretty good pirates. Would you ever be interested in joining my new crew? You'd each get a hat.
Thanks. But maybe we should focus on escaping first before the pirates or the Emperor get here.
Emperor will be long gone before he ever gets close to me. We are ready for takeoff. Initiate the launch thrusters.
Are we gonna need seatbelts?
We have blast off. So long.
They're gonna cut us off!
Brace for impact.
Sabia.
You mean that ginormous cannon?
Blow it all the fucking time. You have to disable it. What are you waiting for? Disable the scuttler now!
Ratchet, we need to disable the scuttler fast. Right. There has to be something around here to use.
Finally, a worthy opponent!
It is not working, Ratchet. You thinking what I'm thinking? I am afraid so. Wait.
Oh!
Fair's fair. So, this
Captain Quark. Is he a pirate in your dimension too?
No, he's a hero. Even though he's betrayed us, surrendered to save his own skin, taking credit for our...
He's a hero?
Because no matter how many times he screws up, he's always there when it matters most. He never stops trying.
The dimension's falling apart. The Emperor's all-powerful, and my life's in danger. Perfect time for a career change.
And there you are. What are you doing?
Hero stuff!
Quantum actually saved us.